Hello and welcome to my tutorial, and in this video I'm just gonna show you how to shatter object like this. So this is gonna be a quick tutorial. uh, let's get started anyway. I'm just gonna open up a new scene and create a mesh. I'm just gonna go ahead with cube, but this thing works on any object. And to use the shatter effect in Maya, I go to FX tab and go to Effects and Shatter. I click on this square box. Now you're gonna see this. But if you set this all up and hit create, it's not gonna work. To make sure this thing does work, you should clean this object up as clean as possible. So I'm just gonna delete by type history, if you do have history, and also center the pivot and also freeze transformations. And most important thing is you need to apply new material on this object. So create a new material and apply to it, and let's do this again. So you're gonna see multiple options available. So here's the shard count. I'm just gonna use 20, and the edge agnes. You can set the value you want, but in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead with 0.5 and save value. Yeah, set this thing to, this is a random value. I just want shapes, not those rigid body. If you want a simulation in Maya, maybe you can go ahead with those options, but I'm just gonna import this thing to a game engine. So, and I want to keep this internal polygon, so I'm not gonna check this. And triangulate surfaces and apply internal material. And the original surface, I won't do anything on that. And yeah, we're done. So hit create and wait a bit. So now you're gonna see that. You can see those cracked parts. Now I'm just gonna move this thing a little bit to the side. But you can see some issues. You can see the internal materials are not that proper. So I'm just gonna delete that, and let's try this again. I'm just gonna change the C value a little bit and hit create again. I'll select this thing and scale it down and see. Alright, it looks pretty nice. And now if you select this thing, you're gonna see this interior material, and you can change this color whatever you want and do a lot of fun stuff. Or also you can change the shader type. So that was a simple way to crack object in Maya, and yeah, that's it. And next tutorial, I'm gonna import this two object in Unity and do simple tutorial. So yeah, thanks.